Welcome all of you to our session on NLP Basic Practitioner Workshop. Basically, this is an introduction for this Basic Practitioner Workshop that we are planning to conduct in February 21st, starting from February 21st. So here in this workshop, before I go into it, I just wanted to ask two questions to you. Okay, so the question is this: how many of you want to succeed in your life? You can raise your hands or put yes in the chat. Yes in the chat. Wonderful. And the second question is, how many of you want to help a lot of other people around you to also succeed in their life? Put double hands up. Wonderful. Thank you so much. So I'm Dr. Purni. I'm currently a happiness and success coach and founder of Happiness and Success Academy, or HAS Academy. So happy to have you today, Sunday evening. And, so really delighted to have 18 of you actually coming here, and this shows that your commitment. Actually, Sunday evening there are a lot of other options, but you have chosen to be here with me and you are committed. This shows that you are totally committed to take your life to the next superb level. I truly appreciate it and truly respect your time and the fact that you're all here. And from my side, I promise you that me and my team will give our 100% towards ensuring that you are getting the real value from today's workshop. And after this, if you're registering for the program also, from there also you will get 100% of your value for your time, money and energy, whatever you've put here. So that is the commitment with which I wanted to start this program. And one other thing is since a lot of us have logged in here, I'm just currently putting all of you in mute because, during the session, there should not be any such disturbances or any noises which would actually interrupt the session. So whatever you want to communicate, you can communicate in the chat. I am there in the chat always. And if it is really urgent, then you can put up your hands. I will definitely unmute you for talking, and you can also share your views. And so with this, yes, so we'll begin the session now. So we are going live, and let me start the session with my favorite slide, that is failure stories. Okay, so we're all here to succeed, and I also asked the question, do you all want to succeed? But I'm starting with the failure stories. Why? Because of the fact all the prominent people in this world have started and gone through their life by facing lots and lots of failures, from Edison to Bill Gates to currently here in our own India, we have a lot of people. Even Abdul Kalam ji had told about lots and lots of failures from people. So we have running examples of failures being the predecessor for success. However, these people, if they know or not, they have actually used something as a key, all right, to ensure that they have succeeded in their life. And the key is NLP. So NLP has been a powerful tool which has actually helped many people succeed in their life. And I am no exception into it. So it has definitely helped me also succeed in my life. And that is the journey I want to share with every one of you to ensure that you also taste success in your life. So here it's like, can I have your permission to just tell a little bit about myself before we go ahead? You can type yes in the chat. Okay, can I have your permission? Because we are going to be spending the next 1 hour. Just I would want to just tell my NLP journey and how it really helped me, and how maybe there are certain coincidences of you, and it can cause the same revolution in your life also. So, all right. Thank you so much for your permission. So my journey actually started from the place where I was totally unhappy and felt so unsuccessful. All right, see, I'm a average student. I am an engineering graduate, not by choice, but by fate. All right, because everybody went into it, I just went into it. I totally had no individuality of my own, and my communication skills were so poor. Okay, I lacked confidence, and I lacked actually spoken English skills, and had lots and lots of stage fear, and had zero knowledge about all the external world. And just because of that, I had to face major failures like love failure and marriage failures and other lots and lots of things into my life. So there was so many rough edges. And I would say that, basically, if I had known NLP from a very beginning, my life would have been totally different. And thanks to the place, I came across NLP only when I was 30 years old, and that became a turning point in my life. From the place where I was literally having no clue on what and how I can go about in my life, I had been underestimating my potential. I had no clue on my life purpose. I had lots of, I was carrying a lot of bad opinion on what people tell to me, and in general about people. And I had lots of lack of self confidence on myself. All these started, moving away like a cloud. And if you in your life had faced some of this like this, please put yes in the chat, no, agree in the chat. If any of that whatever I've told you, if you have faced in your life also, just put agree in the chat. All right, so that we will say that we're not alone, and there are a lot of people who have also been into the part of this journey. Yes, so definitely, like, life has, actually it gives lots of challenges to many people. And most of the time what we really want in our life is the something which is going to be turning as the most challenging in my life, in our life. So if we are thinking we want money, that will be the most challenging. If we are thinking we want good relationship, that is going to be really little challenging for us. So mostly, like, that has been lots and lots of hurdles that people will cross in their life. And there are some people who really will be having a very wonderful journey also, no doubt about it. Yes, I have one of them called Ravi Shankar, who had from our participant, who has said disagree. So it means that his life had been really smooth and wonderful. That is also always there. But NLP is something which, has an answer for making your life, whatever level you're in. If you're in a smooth level, then how do you take your life to the next level? If you're in a rough level, how do you take your life to the next level? Whatever level we are in, we all have the opportunity to move ourselves to the next level. That is going to be the ultimate, what do you say, the potential or the purpose of living our life. Till the end of our life, there is always an option for us to move upward and upgrade ourselves. So with NLP, it just goes easy. Let me tell you how it changed my life also. All right. So yeah. So after NLP came into my life, to be very frank, I was just operating on a very mediocre level. I was just thinking, okay, let me just do what is possible by me. Let me not take risks. Let me not think big, very mediocre. In fact, did not even know that I aspired to be a trainer. So after NLP came into my life, I got to know my life purpose. My perspective about myself and people around me changed. So the NLP presuppositions are so powerful that it helps you bring new perspective to your life. And I got over many of my fears and definitely boosted my confidence, got over my past backlogs, all the failures that I've been carrying, and so much of doubts that I've been carrying, so much of guilt that I've been carrying, everything. And started my counseling career also, and started my training and coaching career also, and started making NLP my way of life. And my communication definitely became effective and influential from the place where it was totally like, lack of confidence and so much of nervousness and so much of fears. Like today, it is definitely, I would say, see change in my way of communicating and handling people and accepting people, embracing people. And, like there are a lot of people where they can come to me and say that I'm so happy to have you and want to have you and attend your program. So these are all certain things which I did not literally imagine. All right. So this is like, a freedom in my life from the place where I was totally living like I would say that anecdote like a bird in a cage. Now, today, I feel that I am free to fly. I'm so free to fly. So that is the power. Most of the times, what we really think is we start blaming the outside situation and the world and the people around us, with thinking that they are the ones who are restricting our success, or they are the one who are not letting us go free. But I would say that a lot of it is there into our own personal mindset. And when we are able to get that trap of inside our mind let go, then automatically we can start experiencing our freedom. So these are the things that, I also had in my mind. Thanks to all my gurus who had really helped me in this rough journey. I would say it is not a very small one. It is a 15 plus years journey. And definitely each of them, each of my guru, I owe in depth. Uh, I've learned lots from them and I owe them a lot. So thanks to all my gurus. I just start with this before I start any session. So from the place where I was totally 0% happy and 0% success, today I'm so happy to stand before you as a happiness and success coach who have trained at least 80,000 people on happiness and success. Definitely this journey is not a very small one or a very easy one. It had been lots and lots of trial and errors. And that is why I actually decided, this is something, a difficult phase that I had caused, which should not be the place for other people. Let me make the life of people easy and simple. And that is why we have launched all our courses based on happiness and success, made it so simple that once they start following all this, they're going to easily, shrink that 15 years is no more 15 years for anybody who are going to be approaching to us. So it is actually shrink to months or sometimes days or sometimes very small amount of years. So that is the journey that we actually promise people. And with this mission, I would say that my wholehearted thanks to my family members and well-wishers and all their trust and support. All the people who have done courses with us, who they've invested their trust on us. So I need to thank all of them. And in a short form, if I have to say, there is a very beautiful proverb. Like it's in a film called Bhaskaran. There's a film. This is my favorite line. In Tamil, I will say, then I will translate in English. It's called Vida Muyarchi Vishwarupa Vetri. Okay. So it means that when you are giving your 100%, success is going to be definite. All right. And it comes very big way. Okay. So Thanks to all my well-wishers, family members, and all the people who have been our support. And with this, we started Happiness and Success Academy with a mission to ignite millions of people through our training and coaching programs to help them live a life of absolute happiness and success in their life and career. And these are some of the schools, corporates, and public open to public programs. And these are some of my cherishable moments of getting awards, doing TV programs, and some people who have given us very valuable, happy feedback. So I just wanted to cherish them all with you and share them all with you. And to share in the nutshell, so currently I am a happiness and success coach, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, NLP trainer certified from US Federation of NLP. And this has come after I completed my basic and practitioner from US Federation of NLP. Then we go into the trainer level. And I'm also a doctorate in HR consulting and training and an internationally certified trainer, Silva Ultramind certified, and a TA certified also. And happy to say that by God's grace, had the opportunity to be trained by the world's renowned trainers like T. Harv Eker, Tony Robbins, and Sidra Jeffrey and Arfin Khan, who are currently my coaches. So thank you so much for that. So with this small intro, we are just going into the session of today. In this current scenario, what is that you are going to be getting in the next 40 minutes or so is, first thing is you will learn what is NLP, and then you will learn how it can benefit you and other people around you. And then you will learn why NLP should become your way of life. And then you will learn how you can choose your NLP journey path. And finally, for people who are really patient and waiting till the end, we really don't want to send you just like that. We have superb gifts for all the people for their 100% participation till the end. And we are here to as much as support you. And I will also be talking about, during the NLP journey, I will also be talking about your next step towards how you can start your journey from the basic, the master level and trainer level and so on. And as you move ahead in the line, you are not only going to be seeing the benefits in yourself, but you will also be seeing the benefits into all the other avenues. So how many of you are really excited? Excited, just type excited in the chat. Let me see how many of you are awake first. Okay, how many of you are excited? Just type excited, very, very excited. Nice. Lavanya is superb. I just absolutely love your spirit. Anybody else excited? Okay, Revati is excited. Sri Hari Devi ji is excited. Varun ji is excited. Okay. Who else? Who else is excited? Come on, guys. Yes. So this is definitely not going to be like, one way. It is definitely going to be a two-way, wherein not just I'm going to be talking, but you also will be talking. So I have one of you raise your hand, Zoom user. So I'm just asking you to unmute. You can share what you wanted to share. Anything that you wanted to share? All right. I think, okay. So nice, nice, nice. Amazing, amazing. All right. So the one thing that I wanted to tell is, if your Zoom disconnects, you can reconnect back. We'll be there. The session is going to happen no matter what. Okay. And so my first question with which I really wanted to start this session is this: what is your major challenge in life that you want to get over? Like, it can be health related, it can be relationship related, it can be finance related, it can be your spiritual goals related, or life purpose related. What is that major challenge that you want to get over in your life, just type it in the chat. Type it in the chat. All right. Okay, economic challenge. Okay. Okay. Delivery of what? Delivery of what? Okay, communication. Communication is a major challenge. All right. Okay. What else? What else is a major challenge in your life? Decision making. Wonderful. Decision making is mental clarity. Yeah. So I think a lot of you who have actually filled the form with us, I've just collated whatever you have told, as so much. All right, so much. We had got so many registrations, and in the registration form, we actually had a column called "What is your major challenge that you want to overcome?" And let me just read out, these are the options that I got. Let me just read out. Like, communication has been major challenge for many of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think now also somebody told communication. And job stress is also a big one. Job stress. Then I'm looking for job opportunities, how to get job opportunities, how to feel confident, how to build a rapport during the interview, all those things. And lack of self-confidence, teacher-student relationship, not just teacher-student relationship, husband and wife relationship, or mother and daughter relationship, many other, anything in your you comes under relationship is also, you can actually add on to this. Failure, anger, earning good package, communication, future of my child, getting so anxious about it. And then upgrading knowledge in my profession, lot of challenges that we are facing. Control my daily life from cheap emotions and sluggish thoughts. That's amazing. To earn more money, and then business improvement, handling and managing people. Okay, and then yeah, taking your business to the next level, and not able to control my habits and financial problems, and decision making, people management, time management, being too stressed and getting angry. So I'm not able to concentrate on anything. That is also there. Being confused, mental clarity, lack of mental clarity. So is there anything that I've left out? Okay, failures, handling failures. Amazing. So guys, you are here for a treat for today. All right. The good news is that whatever we have mentioned as challenge here is something which I also had faced in my life, and NLP actually helped me get over all these challenges. I'm not kidding you. I'm just telling you that whatever is mentioned here, all right, is all there in, was all there in me. No doubt about it. All right, I'm being a single mother. I needed to do so many things. I needed to handle financially alone. I needed to take up a job. I needed to ensure that I'm having a control over my emotions. I needed to do everything, whatever is mentioned. I had a lot of issues with relationships with people around me, everything. Today, touchwood, it's all vanished. It's all vanished. All right. And thanks to NLP, because it had solution for whatever you have mentioned here. All right. And second thing is like, so before we go into it, I just wanted to tell who can benefit from NLP. So when I had taken NLP, I did not have any idea of even thinking about taking NLP as my career and all. So I did not have an idea even to think about being a trainer and all. But it all happened. So this course had given lot of avenues and lot of ideas to people, whoever had been serious about truly wanting to do something really worthwhile in their life. All right. If you are thinking, yes, I need to live a worthwhile life, then I would say that this course is definitely going to help you. You know, first and foremost, it would show you like a mirror. This is you, you know, this is you. These are your strengths and these are your areas of weakness. When you are able to work on these things is where you're going to be seeing your life clarity and purpose. So NLP, all the techniques that we'll be learning in this is going to simply help you do that. And second thing, it will benefit everyone from a recent graduate to a top executive, irrespective of the person, profession or discipline. I would say it has also made lot of homemakers and you know people who really had been clueless in their life to start taking up their life vision. So it's for CEOs, HRs, managers, homemakers, college students, and the businessmen, consultants, trainers, coaches, lawyers, doctors, accountants, teachers, and any professional will find it rewarding. Why it is seem like that? Because in our life, we cannot live alone. We need to live with a lot of people around us. And if we don't know how to build rapport and communicate effectively and handle them successfully and understand their feelings as much as you understand yours, life is going to be a big challenge. And this job is made easy by knowing NLP and following NLP, not just by knowing NLP, but by following NLP. So, are you ready for the magic? Are you ready for the magic? All right, what I really want you to do is place your hand on your heart, your heart, okay? Don't search for it. I think you have it inside. On your heart, rub it off, rub it off. All right, rub it. Now, can I just see some people rubbing it? You can even put your videos on. Rub it on, rub it on. All right. Are you really rubbing? The magic is not working here. Are you really rubbing? Yes. Can I have yes in the chat? Can I have yes in the chat? Okay. Are you rubbing enough? Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. Only 2 people, 4 people. Okay. So, because you rubbed your heart, your genie is here. All right. And the genie has come to you asking you to want for one wish. What is that one wish you will wish your genie? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. What is that one wish you have for the genie? What is that one thing you wanted to wish in your life? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Making my life pleasant. Don't be so subjective. Genie doesn't understand subjective language. Give me a happy life. It will put you into a desert where nobody is there. Okay, lead a happy life. That is not going to be my happiness. Then I need to make the genie understand specifically what happiness is for me. Yeah, give me a peaceful life. Genie doesn't understand happiness, peace, like that, subjective terms. Okay, government job. It will not know. It will give you even a bus conductor job, no, government bus conductor. We will not know. Okay, that is also a government job. See, the thing is like, most of us are living a life of give me multiple wishes as much. Ravi Shankar ji, you're so brilliant. Okay, multiple wishes will come to you, but what wish are you going to give in the multiple wishes? Do you know? It's like for a person who is blind, you give how many of ever diamonds into his hand, it is going to seem like a stone only, because he doesn't know what to ask and what to do with the diamond. So, okay, give courage. Okay, this is a little bit okay. No, give courage is okay. Really, little bit okay. But courage under what situation and what you're going to achieve with courage. So guys, I'm not going to be scrutinizing you too much. All right. So the thing is, like, most of us are living our life like now only we would have thought, okay, if really a genie comes and asks us, what would we wishing? To face new problem, then you're inviting for a problem. Okay, Varunji, you're asking for courage to the genie along with the problem. Okay, so we are not knowing what to really wish. First, I asked to genie that what is your wish? Arey va, Lavanya, I'm so happy. Okay, like I think in that Aladdin film, like that you wanted to fulfill genie's wish. That's amazing. Wonderful. Very nice heart you have. And then Gayatri, healthy life. What do you term like healthy life? Like, is it a life wherein you are able to, have all your cells work forever? That is all. Or what do you actually mean by healthy life? Are you talking about fitness? Okay, disease-free life. What are all disease in your dictionary? Is anger a disease? World tour. All right, world tour. Like through the world. Throw the world by what means? Is it okay the genie is taking you in the magic carpet, showing you once all the 196 countries from the above, and then coming and leaving you in the place where you are? Okay, that is a world tour finish. Or what it will do is buy a globe to you, just show, yeah, this is a world and this is a tour for you. Okay, so my dear, superb, wonderful participants today I'm so happy. So the thing is, you know what? We're all so confused about what we really want in life. That is the truth. How many of you are able to agree to this? Yes, how many of you are able to agree? We're so confused about what really we want in our life. If you're able to agree, just type agree. Okay, so that is the truth. So here, I just wanted to give you a series of opportunities where you will be able to find out your wish or what you really want in life. And at the same time, you will be also able to overcome all the challenges in your life. All right. Are you ready for that? Are you ready? Here you're going to be going to have a series of opportunities to manifest your wish, and also a guaranteed solution to overcome all the challenges in your life. Are you ready for that? Yes? Ready? Okay, if you're ready, then what you will do is you will type, this is opportunity number 1, right? So you will type 1, yes. This is how you will type if you're ready. All right. Wonderful. Wonderful. Very nice. So now the rule is this. Okay. No game is there without a rule. The rule is this. What you really cannot do, you can do is you can traverse in the front. Like if this opportunity you say yes, next opportunity you can either say yes, wait, or no. But you cannot traverse back. Once you say a no, you cannot go to wait or yes again. Or once you say a wait, you cannot go back to yes. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for this challenge? Yes? Ready? Okay, so for the first one, almost every one of you has said yes. Let me give you the second opportunity. So now this guaranteed solution that I'm talking about will need, actually this is 12 hours. Okay. This guaranteed solution I'm talking about will need 6 to 12 hours of your time every day. All right, 6 to 12 hours of your time every day. Now, if you're too busy that you cannot give 6 to 12 hours for overcoming all your challenges in your life, then you will say that, okay, I'm not taking, or I'll take it up next time, or I'm not ready to take up now. But if you say that, okay, let me give a shot, it's just 6 hours, let me give a shot, then you will type yes. To and yes, that is what you will type. So what is that you want to choose? Or you can type it as to wait or to no, whatever you can type. Okay, still, I want all of you to participate. All of you can participate. Okay. And the third thing is that it will also cost your energy on a daily basis. All right. Are you ready? Okay. Balaji says no. Timing means no. Then you cannot go back to yes or wait, Balaji, after this. All right. So here it will cost energy. Then you will type, if you're okay with that, then you will type yes. If otherwise, you will type wait. For third one, you need to type with 3. Wait or no. Okay, if you, oh, time is okay, but energy is not okay for Lavanya. You need to spend a little bit of energy, right? Because it's going to overcome all your challenges in life. Okay. So if you have typed wait, you cannot go back. You cannot go back. Otherwise, you, let me see, all of you are into wait. You want to take it up next time. All of you. Okay. And for 3, anybody who is given yes or no, many of you into wait. Now, if it's wait, you can either go to no or go to yes. That, I mean, you cannot go to yes. You can either go to no or stay in wait for the next one. Okay. So let me move to the final opportunity. Final opportunity is this. It will also cost you few thousands or lakhs of investment. Yes or wait or no. What do you want to tell? Okay, Srihari Devi is yes. Now, if you have told wait before, you cannot say yes. If you, Balaji, you have already told no, you cannot tell yes now. Okay, it comes into step by step. Yeah. So, if I had to check out, okay. So, guys, whoever as you know, actually, yeah, wait. I need to tell you something. Okay, something which this is secret that nobody tells us and nobody has taught us also. All right, so I definitely need to tell you something about this. Now, in our life, we see a lot of people who are successful. All right, how are they successful? How are they successful? The first thing is like they would have taken up whatever they want to do. That is the opportunity number 1. And second thing is like, so first step is getting that clarity of what you want. Second thing is like, after discovering what they want, they invest their time. No, first they give time for that. And second, they also put their energy in the form of physical or, energy in the form of knowledge, knowledge gaining or whatever. They put their energy into it. And third thing is they will also invest on it. They will find good coaches. They will find good trainers, or they will buy a lot of books about it, or surf and do a lot of things. All right. When they have done all this is when they are going to definitely see success. How many of you are able to agree to this? Yes, how many of them you are able to agree to this? Now, is there a shortcut to this in life? Is there anybody who have not given all these things and still seen success in their life? It's a definite no. It's a definite no. So if you have given weight, or if you have given no in any of these four things, that is going to be your hurdle in life. So there are a lot of people who gave weight when they were asked for energy. That is going to be the biggest hurdle. You want things to come in your easy way. It is not possible. It's like, winning a lottery ticket. Even if you're winning 1 crore, unless you have known to handle small amount of money properly, the 1 crore also will not be handled in a proper way. So when you're going step by step, handling is easy. So when you are talking about weight or no in the place where energy is required, for you to give your energy is required, guys, this is going to be your really a pain point in your life, wherein one of the major reasons why you are not able to climb up in your life to the place where you really deserve to be. Okay, so ensure that you're thinking about this. And there are a lot of people who have given weight or no in investing. Now, each and every penny you're going to invest on yourself is the only thing that will boost your confidence. I am telling this because till the point where I hesitated to invest on myself, I was looking out for attending free trainings. I was looking out for what I will get free of cost. I was looking out for what I can do without spending more energy or time. Till the point where I have not made my mind to invest my time, money, and energy, channeling it in the right places, my life was a total goofer. Okay, my life was a total goofer. But once I decided my pathway and started investing my time, money, and energy in the right direction, it is like a rocket now. So if a person like me who was zero is able to do this, I am sure that you all are in a more better position than me, and you can even rock the world. Okay. So guys, just think about this, where I'm really, getting that stagnant point. Just think about it. And then you need to start taking action in that area. If it's energy, start investing your energy in productive things. If it's money, start investing your money in productive things. You will get the return back. That is what is law of attraction all about. What you give comes back. All right. So I would say that, are you ready for the magic? Put your hands on your heart. Hands on your heart. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Rub it. Yeah, it's not enough. The genie has to come. It is giving you the solution. Rub it. Now, people who are given yes, the genie has come. All right. For all of you, the solution that I wanted to share with you is this. Okay. I would say that NLP is your magic wand and you are the genie for your life. Okay, with NLP as a tool, that magic wand in your hand, you can create all that you wish in your life. And if you don't know what to wish, that can also be found out. All right. So all of you put your hands on your heart and with level 10 energy, repeat after me. So I'm just going to unmute you for this alone. All right. So yes, you can now unmute and repeat after me. Hands on your heart with level 10 energy. Repeat after me. I am the genie of my life.
I am
All
the
of you.
genie
I
of
am the
life.
genie of my life.
Energy enga
I
parunga.
am the genie of my life.
See, you're going to be creating your life as per your wish. All right. How much of enthusiasm you need to have for that? Put your hands on your heart and tell, I am the genie of my life.
I am the genie of my
I am
life.
the genie of my life.
I am the genie of my
I
life.
am the genie of my life.
No, energy is not enough.
I am the genie of my life.
Wonderful,
I am
Vedavalli
the
ma'am. I can hear
genie
your
of
voice clearly. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. All of you will unmute and tell, I am the genie of my life. All right.
I am the genie of my life.
Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1. I have not seen a lot of you unmute itself. Please unmute. Unmute, all of you. And then just put your hands on your heart and then repeat after me with level 10 energy. All of you. Unmute. Come on. Who are all alive in this chat? Unmute. Put your hands on your heart. Hands on your heart with level 10 energy. Repeat after me. Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
I am the genie of my life.
I
I
am the
am the
genie of
genie
my
of my
life.
life. I am
Wonderful.
the
I am
genie
the
of my
genie of
life.
my life.
I am the
Yeah.
genie
The
of
You
my
are
genie
life.
of
definitely the
my life.
genie of your life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So to be very frank, like, you can definitely create the life and live the life that you truly deserve. All right. And there is something which we really need to know, that is awareness of what we want and how to create it. That is why NLP is going to be a magic wand for you. So with this intro about what NLP can do for you, let me just introduce NLP to you. So NLP is called neuro-linguistic programming. In our brain, all the 5 senses called eyes, nose, mouth, the taste, the feel, and the ears. These are the 5 senses that is going to help us collect all the information through experiences and then process it into the brain. Now, whatever is getting processed into the brain is how our life is going to go. Now, imagine you are able to process it in the way you want it. How fantastic it is going to be. Yes, it is like currently we are driving a car where we don't have the steering under our control. Imagine you're driving the car with steering under your control. So how is it going to be? That is how life will be when you are using NLP as a way of life. So we are going to use these 5 senses and program them in the way that we want our life to be. How many of you are able to hear, understand a bit of this? Type understand in the chat if you're able to. If it's not clear, I'm going to be giving you an example for this. Okay. So NLP, like, it's an amazing tool for effective communication, personality development, psychotherapy. And it's created by Richard Brandler and John Grinder in California, US. And they have found the US Federation of NLP, which is actually catering the courses to all over the world. So we have lots of people. The NLP was actually originated from US Federation of NLP. We have a lot of branches that is branched out, but this is going to be like the origin. All right. So what NLP can really do for you is it can help you tune your neurological processes, languages, the way you see your experiences, enhance your personality development, and help you even coaching and help you achieve your goals. Now, how can it be done? I'm going to give you a simple activity that is going to help you make you understand this. Okay. So are you ready for an activity? Type AR, that is activity ready. AR, activity ready. Okay. Amazing. All right, for this activity, you need to close your eyes, put your hands forward, like put your hands forward. All right. Now imagine I'm placing a round object inside your palm, in the center of your palm, a round object. Okay. And when you feel it, it has the sensation of a rubber. It's a rubber sensation. And when you need to smell it, wow, it is smelling so nice. Immediately you feel water in your, tongue. You feel like tasting it. Now what you're going to do is take a knife and cut it and then squeeze it in your tongue. Oh my God, it is tasting sour. It's bitter. Now open your eyes. How many of you still have saliva in your mouth? Salivating. Okay. I still have saliva in my mouth. How many of you have it? Put in the chat. Yes. So now what we really did is, okay, can you guess what I was talking about? What is the round object I was talking about? Put it in the chat. Lime, okay. Orange. What else? Lime, orange. Anything else? Any other options? What I was talking about? Okay, lemon. Then amla. Okay, eraser. You cannot taste eraser. When I said rubber, a lot of you would have thought about eraser or ball. Yes. Now see, as and when I was giving instruction, see, first time when I said round object, you would have thought about some, you would have thought about some ball. When I said put it in your palm, it is like shortened. So you would have thought about what is that round object? Let it be a ball, the bounce ball. And then you would have then thought about when I said you can cut it, then you would have thought it's a lemon or musambi or something like that. All right. So when I said it is tasting bitter, you confirmed it's lime. Did you all have all these things changing in your mind as I was giving instructions? Yes. How many of you had all this in your mind, running in your mind? Now, actually, I was talking about a fruit called pomelo. It's a Malaysian fruit similar to musambi or lime in India. Now, because our mind did not have any inputs or experience regarding this fruit, it can never think about this fruit. Now, this is what NLP is all about. Helping you realize and give the right instruction to your mind to ensure that you are actually able to properly manage all your five senses. Okay. And definitely not go into a judgment mode at all. So this is what NLP can do for you. When I'm giving instructions, how is the way your thinking changes. Similarly, when you give right instructions for your life is going to change. That is how NLP can benefit you. How many of you are able to understand and appreciate this? Type UA. Type UA, which means understand and appreciate. Okay, 2 of you, 3 of you, 4 of you. What about the others? Are you all there? Is my voice breaking? Are you able to hear it clearly? If it's breaking, then type break. If it's clear, then type clear. All right, clear for most of you. Okay, then in that case, Sambhaji, you need to check in your end whether the internet connection is fluctuating. I think for all the people, it's clear. Thank you for confirming. So now, how can NLP benefit us? So here is a small video I'm going to be showing you. All right. Just a minute. I'm just going to show you a small video and yeah. Is it all clear? The video, audio, AV clear? Type it in the chat if you're able to see and also hear well. Type AV clear in the chat if you're able to see. Okay, wonderful. Welcome to Has Academy channel. Have you ever felt out of control in your life? I think many. Okay, this is a question to you. Have you felt out of control in your life? Type yes if you have really felt out of control in your life. Type yes or type no if you have never felt out of control in your life. Okay. All right. So most of you are into yes. So this video is for you. Many of us have really felt that. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things actually which is controlling your life. And those 5 things are inside you, and that is actually controlling your life. Let us go into the video. The 5 things are A to E, that is A, B, C, D and E. That is actually controlling your life. A stands for your attitude. Whenever we want to do something and how we do it really matters. And when we are doing, what is that we are thinking while doing? That is actually going to control the result of whatever you're doing. And B stands for your beliefs. Are you having positive beliefs or beliefs that drain your energy? So check on that. This is one more important thing that is controlling your life. And C, that is the most important, my dear viewers. C stands for communication. What we communicate to ourselves and others. Also, how we communicate to ourselves and others. This is actually controlling 90% of our life. Believe me, most of the people are able to succeed because they communicate positive, and most of the people are able to fail because they communicate negative with themselves and other people around them. And D stands for your dreams. How well are you dreaming about your life? Is your dreams full of excitement or fear? That is also going to be controlling your life. And going to the last and the most important one, which is E. E stands for the energy. What is that energy you're holding to live your life? Are you holding lots and lots of enthusiasm, or are you holding lots and lots of boredom? So this is what is going to help you direct your life and control your life. When you start taking control of attitude, belief, your communication, your dreams and your energy, you are going to experience the fact that you are totally in control with your life. I hope this video gave you lots and lots of insights on getting direction in your life. So post in the comment section below on how you are planning to get that positive direction in your life.
Also, subscribe to our channel and share this video to all possible friends and well-wishers so that it is going to help them also succeed in their life. So, wishing you happiness and success.
Okay. How many of you really found this video useful for you? Just type useful and what is that key learning you wanted to take? Among that 5 things, what is that you feel you need to start taking control, charge over to ensure that your life is in control? So do you feel that you need to start controlling your attitude or belief or communication or dreams or energy? What is that you want to choose? Okay, attitude, belief. All right. What is that you want to choose? Just put it in the chat what you have chosen for yourself. Okay, belief. Yeah, we lack awareness about it. Attitude and energy. Wonderful. Wonderful. So guys, like as one of you really pointed out the right way, most of us are like this. Okay. We are not knowing. We are totally blind. I just wanted you to quickly do another activity. Just close your eyes. All right, close your eyes. Imagine you're just driving in a highway, and as it's a pitch dark in the night, and as you're driving in the highway in full speed, your headlight goes off. What would you do? Open your eyes and share in the chat. Open your eyes and share in the chat. What would you do if your headlights are off in the highway? Yeah, put it in the chat. Slow down, stop. What else? Anything, any other options? You will slow down the car, you will stop the car. Any other options? Okay, continue to drive. What else? But it's a pitch dark, okay? If you're continuing to drive, what will happen? Because I believe my way, okay? I will think, all right? Slow down and get aside and correct, okay? Use intuition and drive slowly, okay? So guys, whatever you have answered here, there's no right or wrong answers. Whatever you have answered here is the right answer, okay? And whatever you have answered here is how you will, how and what you will do in your life also when you are unclear about anything. How many of you are able to agree to that? So if there is a very difficult, unclear situation, then that time also you would have chosen this way only. Yes? Wonderful. So this is what I really wanted to tell you. Even though you have a lot of talent, intelligence, power, and whatever is there, unless you have a clarity to operate in your life, you will be like operating in a doubt only. Whether I am right or not, will it give me results? Whether I will be able to succeed? All these doubts will be lingering unless there is clarity. So all of you put your hands on your heart and say, clarity is power. Put your hands on your heart and say, clarity is power. All right, so this is the what you get as benefits in NLP. This power, this tower, actually there's an exercise in NLP which helps you, tune your attitude and beliefs. This tower gave my life purpose. Believe me, I did not know I was a trainer. I would be becoming a trainer. But when I used this tower in NLP as a exercise, I was able to identify my life purpose. In fact, I did not believe it when I got to know that I am born to be an international trainer. Unless that my, I didn't believe it. I was going and searching for a job. I did so many things. But now my life is totally aligned to that. All right. So second thing is like communication. It's not about how you say, but it's not about what you say, but how you say that matters. So NLP teaches you the right way of communicating with people, right way of creating rapport, and right way of doing however you want to reach out to people. And third, so this is a communication model where you will use certain filters to ensure that you are actually reflecting positively in all the directions, and your behavior and action is also getting positive. And third thing is like your dreams. So NLP will teach you to operate in your excellence, field of excellence. So it will show you this is where you are lacking, and sorry, this is where you can excel. Now in the lacking field, its technique will help you close the gaps, and in the excellent field, it will help you sharpen your skills and boost your confidence. Most of the time, where are we living? So most of us are living either in the past or future. Very rarely we live in the present. If I have to give you an option, okay, how many of you are able to live in the present fruitfully without thinking about past or without thinking about the future? Even in this call, you would be thinking about what would I do after the session? Oh my God, so many work is there. You're still thinking about the future. Okay, so that is where we are actually losing our energy. So some of us are going into depression or anxiety. The NLP way of living is thoroughly living in the present, focusing on the present, and how we can do that. That is all about ensuring that we are using all our senses to live our life completely. So here are the list of challenges that NLP can help you overcome. First thing, it can help you overcome your anxiety, your phobias. It will help you improvise your skills in public speaking, conflict resolutions, get over all addicting behaviors and change your habits fruitfully. It will help you develop your management and leadership skills. And then it will help you learn rapid stress releasing techniques, listening effectively and creating rapport, and building, maintaining and motivating teams, creating healthy relationships, setting and meeting performance goals, and identifying people's natural learning styles and helping them out also. So here is one thing that before we wind up the session, I wanted to share with you as my request is that we have a YouTube channel, and this week we are celebrating 25,000 views. So I would like to have your part also, because we want to always maintain in touch with you and contribute happiness and success to your life. So please click on this channel and click on the subscribe and the bell button, so that every day we are putting a video, you will get the notification and you can be constantly in touch with us with respect to your happiness and success. So once you have finished your subscription, please put done in the chat so that I can move forward. And the most important segment of the gift and your NLP journey is still left. Just 5 more minutes and we are winding out. All right. Thank you, Lavanya. Thank you so much. Okay. Wonderful. All right. Thank you. So your feedback really matters for us. Now, before going into the feedback, I just wanted to tell you that you can start your NLP basic practitioner certificate workshop from here. And once you do that, you can start getting the clarity to take charge of your life. And once you have taken charge of your life, you can also help others take charge of their life. So this is the journey that I really put forward to you. Once you finish the basic practitioner, you are eligible to take the master practitioner, then the trainer practitioner, and gold trainer and platinum trainer, all these things. But I would say that basic and master itself is going to give a huge transformation in your life. Yes, and once you start putting it across and start experiencing it, you're going to be seeing lots and lots of changes in yourself and how you deal people around you. I'm just going to open the floor for questions in a while, feedback and questions in a while. Okay, so now I was talking about we starting our NLP basic course from 21st February. It's for 6 Sundays, all right, 10 to 1 and 2:30 to 5:30. This is our session timings. It will be in Zoom and it will be delivered in English, but we are there to support you in all levels. So you will learn. You can even take a screenshot of this slide for you to refer later. You will be learning whatever challenges you had been facing, how to clear all that. I've been talking about all that, from rapport building to improve your personal and professional relationships, and then how you can use all the objectives and hurdles in your life to become a positive, and then fast phobia cure. I even use it to my kid to clear our phobias, and then how to turn negatives into positives, types of anchoring techniques, reparenting your inner child, and so many and so forth. How to get over your past backlogs and clear your life and start living new. How to turn your negatives into positives. All these, how to ask right questions. That's the most important. Whatever is your level of questions is how your life is going to be. So lots and lots are there in store for you. These 6 Sundays is going to be a mesmerizing and great way of turning around your life.